In the frames, you see two of the most famous paintings in the world by Leonardo da Vinci. Both of the paintings cost millions of dollars and people's attention. और यहाँ पे एक 10 सेकंड का वीडियो क्लिप made by this guy named Beeple, which has no physical existence unlike these paintings. Anyone can download it or post it, but it was somehow recently sold for $6.6 million US.
You serious?
Well, so how the hell is this possible? यहाँ पर एक टर्म सामने आता है NFT. According to Forbes, NFT's market cap has increased by 1785% in less than 3 months, with celebrities releasing their own NFTs. Like LeBron James का NFT clip sold for $71,000 और जैक डॉर्की जो ट्विटर के CEO है उनका ट्वीट for $2.9 million US. Well, so the question is, what is NFT? इसका डेफिनेशन बताऊं तो it is a non-fungible token that gives you the ownership of anything literally and is backed by a blockchain or decentralized ledger. Okay, so यहाँ पे दो मेन टर्म्स हैं. पहला फंजिबल और नॉन फंजिबल है. लेट्स से आपके पास एक 100 रुपये का नोट है, आप इसको और एक 100 रुपये का नोट के साथ एक्सचेंज करवा सकते हैं, या फिर आप 50 रुपये के नोट के साथ भी एक्सचेंज कर सकते हैं क्योंकि उन दोनों की म्यूचुअल वैल्यू सेम है. बट NFTs के साथ ऐसा नहीं है, उसकी अपनी अलग ही यूनिकनेस है और उसको आप कॉपी या चेंज नहीं कर सकते या फिर उसके जैसे सेम वेरिएंट्स नहीं बना सकते क्योंकि वो लिमिटेड होते, बिकॉज इट इज बैक्ड बाय अ ब्लॉकचेन विद अ सिग्नेचर ऑफ द आर्टिस्ट विच इज एनक्रिप्टेड. Second thing, what the hell is a blockchain and how does NFT actually work? In simple terms, blockchain is the DNA of cryptocurrency. In this case, blockchain, which is very popular. It contains all the transactions made. So, well, how the transactions are actually made, let me explain you with these simple steps. सबसे पहले, when a transaction is entered into a blockchain, it goes through pairs of computers in different geographical locations. This computer or set of computers then confirm the request. Once it is confirmed, these transactions are clustered into blocks. These blocks are then chained to create a long history of transactions which remain permanent. Finally, the step of this transaction is complete. Well, ये सब शुरू हुआ 2012 से. बिटकॉइन को अभी आए हुए 3 ही साल हुआ था और NFT को तब कलर्ड कॉइन्स के नाम से इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था. These colored coins were used to represent assets like property. Unlike today, these assets would hold their value till the owner or set of owners agreed on it. In 2014, Counterparty allowed asset creation and a decentralized exchange system for NFT trading. इसके बाद बहुत सारे इवेंट्स हुए और फाइनली 2017 में यूथेरियम मेड अ स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट प्लेटफॉर्म और 2017 के जून में उसने क्रिप्टो पंक्स को लॉन्च किया ऑन देयर ब्लॉकचेन. एंड आफ्टर दैट फास्ट फॉरवर्ड टू 2021 व्हेन NFTs हैव गेन्ड मैसिव वर्ल्डवाइड अटेंशन विद द आर्ट ऑफ Beeple, द मैन हु सोल्ड हिज आर्ट फॉर $69 million.
Definitely just like mind-boggling.
Okay, now I understood the history of NFT, but there is still a question that why would anyone wanna buy something which is present online, has no physical existence for nearly $69 million? Well, some speculate this could be a bubble waiting to burst.
Could be a bubble.
Even the man who spent $69 million said that NFT are a huge risk. If the bubble grows further, it may burst. But many others see this as an opportunity to make fortune of simply by selling it. Like Logan Paul, who
made over $5,081,490 selling digital trading cards of himself known as NFTs.
Another reason people would wanna buy NFT is because it can create deep emotional value for them. Like for say example देते हैं इंडिया श्रीलंका का वर्ल्ड कप 2011. वो भी एक NFT है और लाखों लोग उसको खरीदना चाहेंगे पैसे देके. An interesting theory is that NFT could be an solution to deepfakes problem. So what are deepfakes? Well,
Deepfakes is when a computer can put a celebrity's face on any person they want.
Like this Jimmy Fallon clip.
I look, he didn't come to my inauguration, so I'm not a fan. The Dalai Lama didn't come either.
If someone uses it to create disbelief with deepfaked, then it may cause tension around people. So NFT could be really helpful in verifying the original owner of the clip. In an article by Camila Rida, it is mentioned where deepfake can be a terror in the data-driven world, NFTs in exact moment has time to shine. Well, many people like Roderick Frail have compared NFTs digital art with physical art, saying that the hard drives in which these NFTs are stored are much more durable than the oil and canvas. Say the drives can stay for 500 years, but definitely the oil and canvas cannot. But in this argument, many say that the technology changes and the file format in which these NFTs are saved could be changed or destroyed. Not by physical means, but yes, the hard drives can be destroyed. Well, this argument is really tough, or as I can say, it is a debatable matter. Now the Google search for NFTs have skyrocketed in couple of months. To be honest, these NFTs have come to a limelight as a gesture of appreciating the digital artist, cause ऐसे उनके और कोई तरीका नहीं है उनको रिकॉग्निशन मिलने का. लोग आजकल कुछ भी खरीद सकते हैं पैसे देके और कुछ भी बेचते हैं पैसे देके, पर ये NFTs उतने वेस्टफुल नहीं है. लाइक जो थ्योरी मैंने डिस्कस किया डीपफेक्स के बारे में कि NFTs काफ़ी हेल्प कर सकते हैं ये प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने में, और आगे भी बहुत सी प्रॉब्लम्स ये NFT सॉल्व कर पाएंगे. सो दीज NFTs आर नॉट एज वेस्टफुल एज इट सीम्स टू बी.